Alright guys, welcome back, and today meron tayong panibagong platform na ating i-check out, and this is the Andromeda. And this Andromeda, ito po ay isang AI platform na pwede nyo i-check out, and this is a trading platform. So tara na, hindi ko na sure patatagalin. Tara, let's go. Alright guys, welcome back, and today nandito tayo sa pinaka-website itong Andromeda, sa andromedatrade.com, and nakalagay dito, let AI trade stocks for you without learning how to trade. So basically, ang goal nitong AI na ito is mag-open ng position for you to trade without you doing anything. So ibig sabihin, maglalagay ka lang dito and yung AI na mismo ang maggagawa. AI will do the work for you. Ganun siya. Ganun yung pinaka-mechanics nung ano ito. So ito ay auto, fully auto, no charts and risk gate. The product does the trading the work. The user choose the roles. And basically, ito yung mga pinaka-information about the project. So for simple states before the system plays the trade, choose mode, AI scans, risk checks, and auto executes. Naka-auto na to, naka-fully automate na po itong platform nito. But ayun nga guys, basically, ito yung dyan, simple setup, live autopilot, and safety control. So para mas maintindihan nyo guys, let's go, punta muna tayo dito sa kanyang dashboard. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of things, you should probably watch the video. And ayun nga guys, you can also use my referral link in the description down below, and it's up to you kung paano nang gagawin nyo. Again, this is not a financial advice. All of the things that are going to be in this video are only for reference, okay? Lahat po ng decision nyo will always depend on yourselves, kasi pera nyo po yan, and it's your responsibility to take your risk management, okay? To risk management, okay? And yung nakalagay dito guys, AI runs the trading loop and you monitor the system. So basically, all you need to do dito is maglagay ng funds, and syempre, sila na yung AI na mismo ang mag-work for you. Ayun yung pinaka-simple explanation about the project, okay? And syempre, makikita dito sa dashboard, makikita mo dito yung inyong capital, total P&L, and daily results. And basically, ito yung mga nandito, nagpo-position na dito yung AI. But right now, wala pang nagpo-position sa akin. But if you want to know kung ilan na yung nagpo-position sa akin, ito po na dito, recent activity. Ito yung mga position natin. So, 43 records na po. And syempre, nagsimula tayo sa 1.7. And ito yung mga naging position niya. This is all automated guys. Hindi ako nag-position nito. All by AI na po yan. And $17 na po ang ating, 18.3 na po ang naging profit nito. Total P&L, 23 na nga actually. 23 na, hindi pa nag-credit siguro yung iba. But ayun nga, 1.7 for only 2 days I think, or 1.5. Ito na yung nag-ano niya. So, again guys, sa mga ganitong project guys, it's up to you kung gusto nyo. Kasi this is totally, sobrang taas ng risk nito. Okay? Ang taas talaga. And if you're interested lang naman, you can actually do it. And syempre, nandun sa description natin yung ating link. And lagay ko na rin sa comment section. Okay? And of course, ito yung pinaka-dashboard. This is yung signal matrix. Meron tayong total 17 instruments. And guys, if you want to check it out, all of these are stocks guys ha. Mga stocks, Tomor and stocks yan. And syempre, mayroon dito mga statistics, fully automated statistics, autonomous positions map as live capital, ayun nakalagay dyan. Position memory, ito yung mga naging position natin guys. And makikita mo rin dito kung ano yung naging profit, kung ano yung hindi. And mapapansin nyo guys, yung mga profit dito is hindi sobrang kay tataas, kasi nga hindi niya sinosobrahan ng mataas yung leverage, kasi nga para hindi mas mataas o hindi mas malaki yung nauubos dun sa pinaka position mo. And syempre, meron dito transaction history, autopilot configuration. Pwede mo lang i-off to guys. You can also turn it off or i-on yan. Para kung gusto nyo lang naman mag-on dito, but you can also trade this on manual. Okay? Syempre, meron ditong add funds. Pwede ka mag-add funds dito guys. Ayun o, pwede ka dito mag-add ng funds guys. Pwede ka dito mag-deposit ng amount. All you need to do is to enter your desired amount, and syempre minimum dyan ay 20 po. Ito po yung pagde-deposit. You can also use wallet guys or bank transfer po, okay? And syempre, kailangan nyo rin ng verification. At yung pagde-deposit guys, ha? And syempre, dito naman yung withdrawal. You can also withdraw this, okay? Pwede nyo i-withdraw yung all of the amount. Syempre, i-off nyo muna yung AI. And then, same lang naman yan. Pwede ka ditong mag-wallet and syempre, bank transfer. And syempre, grow the automated trading work. So, 5% reward rate po ito. And of course, yung pinaka-settings, okay? Balik ganun lang po siya, guys. Pinaka-simple explanation about this is you put your funds here and then basically yung AI na ang magra-run sa inyo. Again, pwede yung auto AI ito. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-manual mode or naka-manual. Ayun, manual mode and syempre yung AI mode. And then guys, this is really red sa atin. Medyo mataas guys, mataas. Hindi naman siya sobrang red, but ang taas ng possibility na ang taas ng risk nito. Okay, but if you are a risk taker and you like something like this, then basically this video is for you. Again, this is Andromeda Trade. I am Cheese Gaming. Sana naintindihan nyo. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment section down below. Maraming salamat po. I am Cheese Gaming. Bye bye.